In this video, we will learn how to highlight duplicate data in column in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have a some name of the person here. Just select the first name, click on the format option, click on the conditional formatting. First, you select the apply to range. Range is automatically selected A1 to A8. In format rules, you select the custom formulas. Just drag it. You get here option custom formula is. Now just enter the formula is equal to countif in bracket a colon again a comma a1 then bracket close is greater than 1 greater than 2. If you select the if you write here 1, you can see here the greater than 1 name is highlighted. Means Sita is or Sita two times available in this data. Therefore, is highlighted and Ram name also highlighted because this name is also two times in data. So if I enter here 2, then you can see only Sita name is selected because this name is in data greater than 2 is available. It means in 3 times is available in data. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.